Hi, in this video we will see how does the week function works in Tableau. So for creating this function we have to create one calculation field. Set the title as a week number and then here we will type week. So after that click on this function. So we can see here this week function takes one input as a date, and also we can see on the right side the definition of this week function, which says the week function returns the week of a given date as an integer. So basically the whatever the date we are taking the input inside this function, it will return the total number of weeks. So for example, uh, let's take one random date. So 2021. So if we see here, we have taken the date 15th of April 2021. So if we count the total number of week before that, so there should be total number of weeks. So it must be around 15 or 16. So it must be 16. Total number of weeks is 16 for this date. So if we click on apply and OK, and then I'll take this function and drop it onto the text. And after that, I'll click on drop down. I'll select this aggregate function and select average. So here we can see it is showing the uh, number as a 16, which is basically the total number of weeks. So this is how we can use this function. And if you want to compare these weeks and the to our original date, so we just have to click on this week number drop down, the field that we have just created, and click on edit. So here we can compare the original date and count the total number of weeks, and also compare it to our output. So this is how we can use this week function in Tableau. And thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.